Hi, it's Laura Lynn from teddybearacademy.net, where you can take online teddy bear making classes from the comfort of your own home.
In this week's video, I am going to start to show you around different teddy bear making suppliers' websites. Now, if you go under FAQ and then down to where to buy bear making supplies, it will take you to the page on the site that has a list of teddy bear making suppliers worldwide. It's not only a list, but these are links. And the first one I'm going to show you will be the first one on my list, and that will be EdinburghImports.com. And they are located in the United States. They are in California. And they offer many different things, many different supplies for your teddy bear making. Your email registration right here. If you add your email address, you will subscribe to their newsletter, and then you will receive notice of when they're having sales or new products. The fabric is up here at the top. It is also right here. They do have patterns and kits. There's patterns. Kits. They sell all different colors of eyes. Most of these are handmade glass eyes. There we go. You have to click on the color that you want to look for here. They have, this link here shows different supplies. Miniature eyes, books and media, display and posing, embroidery yarn, eye floss. This is what I use to insert my eyes. Gift certificates, joint discs, needles, noisemakers. Some people like to put what's called growlers inside their bears. I usually don't. They kind of sound, instead of a growler, to me it sounds more like a sheep going bah. And then there's flat squeakers. Noses and teeth. If you'd like to put an actual plastic nose on instead of stitching your noses on, you can do that. They also have teeth, which I do not have experience with, but it looks like that they have a wire on them so that it looks like you insert them the same way you would insert an eye. They do have sewing notions, which a lot of the needles are here too. Fray check, which I use. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use a different type. Pins, needle grabbers, leather fingers, stuffing and turning tools. The Excelsior is the original stuffing that Steiff used to use. They used to stuff their bears with wood wool, and there are still people who use this. I'm not sure if Steiff still does or not. I don't like using this, but that is personal preference. Glass pellets. These can help add weight to your bear. The mini stuffing tool, I'm going to go over that in another video. I like this a lot. Mohair stuffing. Plastic pellets that can add a little weight to your bear, but it's not as heavy as glass beads or the zinc coated pellets that I use. They also have some wooden stuffing sticks. Edinburgh Imports also does carry thread, some thread. And they do carry some scissors. These are my favorite scissors right here. If you click on this, on their logo up here at the top of the 4 cartoon bears, that'll bring you back to the home page. And you'd always want to check their announcement. For instance, I'm making this video in April, and this April they're having all of their alpaca fabrics in stock markdown. Now that is just a quick overview of the website.